Today we are going to make one of the Mackenzie candle, and this is a Dollar Tree candle, and this is one of the wrapping paper that came along with another candle that I bought from Mackenzie Child Store. And I'm going to use this paper and convert this into a beautiful Mackenzie Child's candle. So I'm just using Mod Podge and I'm just applying generous coat of it, and after I apply it, this is how it looks, and after it's dried, this is how it turned out. And you can customize this according to the season if you want to glam it up using a bling decorative piece just like so, or if you want to decorate this with sunflower for fall and some fall florals and greenery, you can do that, or you can make it springy with spring flowers and summer yellow bright flowers, and also winterize with Christmas decor just like so. I'm going to leave as is and will decorate it plain just like that.